anime, cartoons, video games, and more. Kitchen Princess is about to begin. Hey, how's it going? It's Cali T here, and welcome to my kitchen. In this segment, I'll be showing you how to make food shown in anime. On today's menu, our item comes from one of my sister's favorite animes and is actually a staple Japanese cuisine, and it is Beef Udon noodles from the anime Yuki Yuna is a Hero. This show is about a group of middle school girls who are a part of the Hero Club, and their duties are to help those in need. I find that the show takes a nice spin on a used premise, and if you liked Madoka Magica, you might find this enjoyable. This udon dish is super savory and great if you're on the go, which is probably why Fu eats so much of it. She's a girl on a mission. So without further ado, let's get started. As always, let's start off with the ingredients. You will need sugar, dashi, udon noodles, green onions, ground ginger, mirin, soy sauce, and shredded beef. But before we start cooking anything, we need to wash those hands.
When you have clean hands, you'll have clean food, so just wash those hands.
Let's begin by working on the broth. Bring out a pot and add 3 cups of water into it. Next, bring your water to a boil and add 2 tablespoons of dashi, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of mirin, and stir around until everything is well combined. Once that's done, set the broth to the side because now we will begin preparing the udon. Bring back out a pot with some water and boil it up. Next, pour a tablespoon of salt and add in your udon. Then cook your udon until it's al dente. Next, bring back out your broth and bring it to a boil. Then add in your various pieces of shredded beef into the pot and wait for about a minute or 2 for it to cook. Once that you can confirm that the beef has been thoroughly cooked, bring out a cutting board and place your green onions on top and
chop them up into little pieces.
Yeah, I can't take myself too seriously here. Now it's time to assemble our dish. Bring out a bowl and place your delicious udon into it. Then place your beef on top and begin to pour in your broth all over the bowl. And top it off with the green onion. And once that's done, ta-da! And there you have it, a mouth-watering beef udon that is sure to impress and delight all those who eat it. Speaking of eating this, I wanted to eat this so bad.
It smells so freaking good.
But just like how Fu loves her little sister, I let my sister have it. So as painful as it is for me to do this, let's find out what my sister thinks. So tell me what you think.
I mean, I've seen Yuki Yuna as a hero. This looks pretty spot on. That's good. That's like good.
And that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it, as always. If you have any other dishes that you would like me to try, please let me know in the comment section below and I can see if I can do them. And stay tuned for more dishes coming your way. And hey, if you like this video, please let me know by commenting, liking, and subscribing. And that's it for me. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. And I hope the rest of your day is outstanding. Until next time.